Hi, I'm Jared and I work for Kalamazoo Excavation going on 3 months now. I run the excavator and skid steer. I worked at a fire water restoration company for a number of years, worked in factory and a whole bunch of stuff outside. So my favorite part about working at Kalamazoo Excavation is running the equipment, running the skid steer and the excavator every day. So I wanted to work with heavy equipment when I was a kid. I grew up playing with all the Tonka truck toys and playing with the dozers and excavators, and now I get to do this and on a larger scale. So the reason why I applied to work at Kalamazoo Excavation is that it's an excavation company and they work with heavy machinery, and I wanted to work with heavy equipment. I would definitely recommend Kalamazoo Excavation for other people if they like to work outside and work with good people and run equipment, just have fun at their job.